Hey guys, what's going on? It's Aaron Games here. Now, this video is all about adding the Microsoft Store to Windows LTSC. I will leave the link in the description for the files you'll need to download this. This is the easiest way. But if you want to, you can open up your browser and type in Windows 10 LTSC, add Microsoft Store. And if you click the top results, and all you need to do is just click the little download button here, open this, close that. Now I'm personally using 7-zip, but if you don't have any 7-zip or WinRAR or anything installed, then I will do it like Windows Explorer, just so you guys can see here. All you need to do is just drag this folder to wherever. I'm just going to drag it to the desktop. Right, now just click on this. Alright, and then what you want to do is you want to right click, run as administrator on the addstore.cmd here. And it's just going to this. I'm just going to put it full screen. So it's adding all the components for the Microsoft Store. Alright, it's done. Now as you can see, we've got the Microsoft Store installed. So let's just, oh, and it's not working properly. Right, so to completely sort this out, let's troubleshoot a bit. So let's go to services. Just type in services in your search box and just click that. Right, now let's look at the disabled services here. Oh, there you go. Microsoft Store install service, and that is disabled, so that will trigger it. Now if we set this to automatic, and if we start the service, and this is working. So yeah, let's just wait a moment while it updates. Right, and let's just open it now. And as you can see guys, we've got a fully working Microsoft Store. So I'm just gonna go ahead and log in. Right, and as you can see, it's my little profile picture here. As you can see, I'm logged in. Now let's download the Xbox app. Nearly bought an Xbox apparently. Right, and install. Now if we install the game bar as well. So if you can't find the game bar and anything like that in the Microsoft Store, honestly, don't worry about it. It's literally as simple as what I'm about to show you. Just bear with me one moment while I log into the Xbox app. Right, I'm all logged in, and as you can see here, it's missing components for the Xbox app. So if we review that now, so it's missing the feedback hub, the Xbox Live in-game experience, and the game bar. Let's just install these two, and that generally should be enough. Alright, awesome. Now, if I go to my library. Right, and there you go, guys. So, yep, this has been Aaron Games. But thank you for watching, and take care.